I got asked this question a little while ago, and that is, what are the different types of admins on LinkedIn pages and what can they do? And I thought, you know what, this would be a great use of a video. So let's go look at my LinkedIn page. So I got a bunch of them. Let's go look at my, this one right here, my main business one. And you can see I'm in what's called Super Admin View. Now let's explain what that means. We go to Admin Tools and we go to Manage Admins. So you can see that I have two admins. I have my business partner / wife as a super admin, and I'm a super admin. But if I want to add another admin, look at the three types of admins I can add. Number one, the super admin. This is the role of the person who has access to everything and every feature for a company page, including deleting and adding other admins. It has, again, repeat, complete access to all areas, can edit the page, add content, can comment, can get reports, can manage ads, etc., etc., etc. Now the next admin type is a content admin. A content admin can only make post, manage post, comment, and export analytics. For the most part, what a content admin cannot do is they cannot change the page data, the overview and all that information that's on top of the page, and also they cannot add or delete or edit admins. The third admin type is an analyst. The analyst can view and export analytical data, and they have a limited access to the use of third-party partner tools that are associated with LinkedIn or approved by LinkedIn. They cannot manage content, and they cannot manage admins, and they cannot manage the page overall. Here's my recommendations. If you have a small business, if you're a solopreneur, then you can only have one super admin, it would be you. But if you have a business partner, as I do, then make both of you super admin. Now, if your business is a little bit bigger, then maybe you want to have a principal be a super admin, and then maybe have someone responsible for marketing or sales be a super admin. Now, if your business is bigger than that, then you have a full-blown marketing department, you have a business owners, if it's a public company or whatever, then I recommend you have one or two principals in the marketing department and maybe someone in the sales department be a super admin. Then you could assign these other roles to other people. But for most small businesses, at the very least, if you have the ability to put two, I recommend put two principals or two primary employees on your as super admins, so you can do everything. Again, bigger businesses, you have a content admins for posting, and maybe you have an analyst for research. But always have at least two people be super admins who are responsible for overall, and then assign the other two roles as needed. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful.